Usually I'm indecisive, but tonight me sure.
No, you don't want to hear what I have to say, but it's slipping right through our fingers, 2 seconds away.
I'm gonna start off with my hair, and right here I'm just combing it out, detangling any knots that's in my hair, and I'm gonna part it down the middle.
I've been thinking about giving you the rest of me. I know you're thinking about giving me the rest of you.
So don't let go, oh no, hold me close, nah. If you let go of me now, don't blame it on me, don't let go, oh no, hold me close, nah.
So here in this little container I have a few essential oils that I mixed together to help with my hair growth. So in here I have jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, Jamaican black castor oil, a little vitamin E oil, some coconut oil, and a little bit of vegetable glycerin.
Get me higher 'cause I'm feeling the low. Let's take it back to the golden days from before. You jumped and I jumped, no waiting, I'm ready to go. I've been thinking about giving you the best of me. I know you've been thinking about giving me the best of you.
So don't let go, oh no, hold me close, nah. If you let go of me now, don't blame it on me, don't let go, oh no, hold me close, nah. If you let go of me now, don't blame it on me, don't blame it on me.
Caught in a love that ends up one of two ways. Give me a reason to stay. Caught in a love that ends up one of two ways. Give me a reason to stay.
Don't let go, oh no, hold me close, nah. If you let go of me now, don't blame it on me, don't let go, oh no, hold me close, nah. If you let go of me now, don't blame it on me, don't blame it on me. No one can do it like you.
Here I'm just using some Maury's bee wax to help shape my baby hairs, I guess. Right here your girl was just hungry, so I did the baby hair portion off camera. I'm just eating some cookies and milk right here. For my face, I'll be prepping and cleansing my face with this Garnier Micellar water. I then go into my favorite facial moisturizer, which is this Pond's facial moisturizer. Then I prime my face with the LA Girl face primer. I'm going in with this Milani 2-in-1 foundation, and I'm just applying that all over my face to start the base for my makeup application. And this is in the shade 10.
No one can do it like you.
I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect in the shade 155, which is Cool Sand, and then I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and this is in the shade 365, which is Cashew. I mixed both of these and applied it directly to my under eye area. I'm going in with a damp Morphe Beauty Blender just to blend those out. Contour with my Juvia's Place foundation stick. To deep my contour area, I'm using this old Morphe palette. It's a concealer palette. I'm not sure if this is still available, but this is what I'm using to make my contour a little darker. So I'm just stippling the brush into the last two dark shades, and then I'm just applying that to my face and blending out. Powder, and I'm just tapping that into the areas that I applied concealer. I'm not really baking just yet. I'm just pressing that into my skin to set the concealer.
Why is it so hard for me? So hard to let go of the past. I need your company. I need your love. I want it bad. I know we had all our problems. I know it didn't work out. No, but maybe now we can solve them and turn it all up.
So onto the eyes. This entire look I used the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I used the orange, the pink, and the purple from that palette. So the first shade I went into was the orange, and I'm just using the orange shadow, building it up to where I wanted it. And I did not press this in. I used the windshield wiper motion and just sweeped it across my crease area, just using this as a transition shade. I'm building it up for when I am to apply the pink shadow. However, in this clip, I don't know what happened. My camera stopped recording, so I didn't get the part where I added the pink shadow. So here I'm just applying the purple, but I first used the orange, then I used the pink, then I darkened my crease and the outer V area with the purple shadow from that palette. So here I'm cutting my crease, but I'm not doing like a regular cut crease. I'm doing like a triangular half diamond shape cut crease. I first applied the base and I'm using the P. Louise Rumor eyeshadow primer in the shade 0.5, and I'm just applying that to my eyelid. Then I'm using a smaller eyeshadow brush to make the triangular form that I want on my lid. So here I am applying a shadow from the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight 6 color palette. It's a BH Cosmetic palette, and this one is called the Black Light Highlight 6 color palette. So the first one was the Spotlight, this one is the Black Light. I'm using that shade called On Point. With the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and this one is in 100 called Molten Gold. I'm just going over that with that same brush to give it a more golden purpley effect. It's easier to go over a white than to put a dark shade down and then try to use a white to go over that. So I'm using the white to outline the structural shape of my skull, and I do this several times using both pencils. And then in the end, when the look is complete, I go over all the white with a liquid white liner. went in with a white creamed eyeliner to shape where I want the teeth to be. Then I went in between each teeth, skeletal teeth, with a brown and black eyeshadow to define or say space out, yeah, the teeth. So when I apply the rest of the purple, the teeth section would be more defined, if you understand what I'm saying. So here I'm just applying that. Then I went into adding the purple to finish off that area of the skull face.
Without you, I know you don't want to hear what I have to say, yeah, yeah. But it's slipping right through our fingers, 2 seconds away, yeah, yeah. We said we're sorry and made up the other day, yeah, yeah. Don't know how many times we'll end up right back in the same, yeah, yeah. I've been thinking about giving you the rest of me. I know you're thinking about giving me the rest of you.
So don't let go, oh no, no, no. Hold me close, nah, 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 nah. If you let go of me now, don't blame it on me, don't blame it on. Don't let go, oh no, no, no.
Oh yeah, here is the black light highlight palette, and I'm going in with that shade I used previously, which is On Point, and I apply that to the tip of my nose, my chin, and certain parts of my cheek area, just to make the other parts have more depth. When I did that, I also go in with the other shade beside that, which was Strobe and Illusion, to top it off.
Need you to get me higher, cause I'm feeling the low. Let's take it back to the golden days from before. You jumped and I jumped, no waiting, I'm ready to go. I've been thinking about giving you the best of me. I know you've been thinking about giving me the best of you.
So don't let go, oh no, no, no. Hold me close, nah, 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 nah. If you let go of me now, don't blame it on me, don't blame it on. Oh no, no, no. Hold me close.
Here it is, guys, the finished look. Let me know how you guys liked it. Took me a couple hours, but I got it. I think it looks pretty awesome on my first try doing something like this. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
I'm ready to go.